Hey guys, so today in this video I'll just show you a few things that this program can do and why you should sign up for the 10-day trial for only $1. So first of all, I will go into the arbitrage sites. So there's eight different countries that they support, and over those 8 countries it's almost 800 websites that you can scan from. And so just in the USA alone, if you scanned one store per day, then you could scan for over a year if you're doing one per day. So it just goes to show just how many products you can scan through using this program. And if you're in any of these other countries, still very good, because I like to scan certain retailers every week so that anytime that the item comes on sale, then because each store has usually sales each week, and then when products come on sale, it's a good time to, because sale products are where you're going to make the majority of your money using tactical arbitrage. And the trial sign up. So only difference here is I'm able to offer a 10-day trial for only $1, where you go directly through the website, they offer a 7-day trial for $1. To get the 10-day trial, you need to use the coupon code Amazon and eBay Guru, all one word, and that'll be in the description below. But just going over, I've said this in videos in the past, but just going to reiterate it, that the full suite is an Amazon and wholesale would all cost you $67 each if you were to go individually, whereas the full suite includes that, all of those, plus online arbitrage in the online. So I definitely recommend going with the full suite. It's $147 a month, but it's well worth it, and it'll pay for itself very quickly. And if you guys aren't sure about the program, then give the 10-day trial for only $1 a chance and see how you like it, and then go from there. There's no obligation after that. So it's worth a try, because this program is very powerful and you will make a lot of money with it if you use it. So now let's go into the actual program, Tactical Arbitrage Access. And we will check out a few products. So I can give you some examples of products where you can source. For me, I source within Canada and then ship to the United States, but it looks like my virtual assistant cleared the data, because he runs reports for me every day and then he clears it when it's not. So I haven't actually checked through any of these. Let's hope that some of them are good. Here's a Black & Decker rice cooker from Walmart.ca that is on for $21.96 apparently. Let's check it out. Okay, so if this is the same one, then yeah, okay, same picture. Amazon.com is apparently selling for $49.99. It's always good to double check. Okay, yeah, so it is selling for $21.96 on Walmart.ca, and let's see what it's selling for on Amazon.com. It is selling for, the lowest price is $49.99. And as you can see, 1,718 reviews. We can check on here. So if we source this for $21.96 Canadian, and then sell it for $49.99 US, it'll earn an 88-cent profit, and a gross return on investment of 113%, which is really good. I would definitely look into buying this. The sales rank is good, and it says the estimated monthly sales is about 198. So this would definitely be a good product to buy, guys. And this is just the first example. Like I said, I hadn't checked out any of these. As you can see, always good to double check to make sure that the items are the same thing. This Vivtar Spider tripod is in this bundle, but this also comes with the camera and stuff. This sometimes does happen. Always make sure that the pictures match. Even this one, these are two different pictures, so I would never even look at them. I always like to double check that. So on this one, you can see that it has an 18 and then this one has an M, so it's different. This would be one coming from the UK and this is within Canada or the United States, so I would skip that. Make sure the pictures match identically. So as we can see, this morning it's pulling quite a few of mismatches, and even this one, they're both Ron Weasley, but one has the cap and one doesn't, so I wouldn't list that either. You want to make sure that they're the exact same. These ones are a bundle, whereas this one is. So it is pulling quite a. Okay, so here's another one. These two are the same. Gross profit on this one's only $3.38, but still a 60% ROI. I wouldn't personally list this one, but if you are looking to make a lot of sales really quickly, then something like this can help you build up your feedback. I personally don't list these. I wait for a gross profit of minimum $10. Let's see. So yeah, that's all from the scan today so far, but right now, if I was going to buy any of these, it would just be this rice cooker, because $20, so even if you buy 10 of them, because Walmart doesn't have limits on how many you can buy, so you could go and you could say, I want to buy 10 of them. There we go. And add it to your cart. And then all you would do is, depending on how you want to do it, you could either have it sent to your house or sent to a prep center like Stallion Express. Leave a comment below if you want more details about Stallion Express, because I have a code where you can get your first week of shipments for free. So that can save you a lot of money. So yeah, leave a comment below if you are interested in more information about Stallion Express, because I have the information about it and I can get you guys your first week of shipping free. So yeah, I would buy 10 of these, for example, have them shipped to Stallion Express directly there, and then I would have them take it across the border to the United States and have it shipped to an FBA prep center in the United States, and then it would go for sale. I'd put my price probably at like $48.99 or something, just to kind of beat the competitors and kind of corner that buy box and be able to sell this product. So this is a pretty fast selling product, so I would definitely buy this one and then ship it to a prep center and then have it. At that point, you just wait for it to sell, and that's when it becomes passive income. It's a pretty easy business model, and with the use of tactical arbitrage, you can make a lot of money very easily and passively. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.